Hey guys, welcome back to the latest episode of Cooking with Magic. Today we are visiting Wilderness Lodge, located close to the Magic Kingdom, about a 10-15 minute boat ride from Magic Kingdom, and we're doing a special today for Christmas. This is a Christmas themed episode. Really and truly, I was going to do the gingerbread from Grand Floridian, but if I'm honest with you, it was so much ingredients that I didn't have, and it's going to cost me an arm and a leg to get all the spices and all this stuff. So we'll plan better for next year. Next Christmas we'll do the gingerbread from Grand Floridian. But today we're doing Molasses Crackle cookies. Again, this is from the Wilderness Lodge. So sit back, enjoy, and let's get to it. All right, for your ingredients, you're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil or canola oil. You need 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 egg, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, and 1/3 cup of Karo syrup. Then you're also going to need about 1/2 cup of sugar that we're going to sprinkle on top of the cookies once the dough is ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to put together our dry ingredients, mix them up. We're going to whip together some of the wet ingredients, add it all together, put on the baking sheets, and then we're going to cook it. So go ahead and preheat your oven right now to 350, and then we'll start putting everything together. All right, so put the dry ingredients together. We've got, again, 3 cups of flour. We've got baking soda, ginger, the cinnamon, and the cloves. Okay, so just mix all that together and put it off to the side. Okay, so let's put in our sugar into the mixing bowl. That's 1 3/4 cups. And oil. So we're going to mix this together first with the beater. Then once it's going pretty good, we're going to add the Karo and the eggs. Alright, so let's add our Karo syrup. Put it all in there. And then in.
Oh, that's weird.
Alright, so switch out your attachment to this mixer attachment, and then we're going to add the flour just a little bit at a time. Alright, so just scrape down the edges of the bowl. Make sure you get it all incorporated. Okay. Then, relatively large ice cream scoop or mix little thing. Okay. Make yourself a little ball. Roll it in sugar. Boom. And just repeat. Put them about 2 inches apart, so they don't, because they are going to spread out. You don't want them on top of each other. All right, so let's put them in the oven. Again, we're preheated to 350. We're going to put them for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'll check them at 10 minutes and we'll see how that goes.
Click it.
So that's your final product. It turned out pretty good. You can see the crackling turned out really good. They're not as dark as I thought they were going to be, so I think what I would do next time is I would use a dark Karo syrup instead of the light Karo syrup. So I'll try to mention that at the beginning of the video and edit that in. But looks good. So let's let them cool off a little bit and we'll take them for a test drive. All right, so this is the taste test. Molasses Crackle cookie from Wilderness Lodge, fresh out the oven.
I guess I could dip it half. I cut it in half.
Let's see. With some milk.
It's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside.
Okay. How's the flavor? That's something we don't normally make is I don't think, well, I've never made these before, but we usually make just chocolate chip cookies or whatever.
I like it. I mean, it's not my go-to,
Mm-hmm.
but I like it.
All right, let's see. Now, it's got a good flavor. What? You want some cookies? You want some cookies, Patches?
You want a cookie?
We made some dog cookies earlier, so Patches can have a dog cookie. Some peanut butter. That good? Oh, he's going to take it away.
Wait, the baby.
Privacy. Privacy.
Right, guys, so that's it. The Molasses Crackle cookie from Wilderness Lodge. If you'd like to go stay at the Wilderness Lodge and check it out for yourself, just email me at lee@magicourway.com. On Facebook, you can find me on facebook.com/Lastovica Travel. Instagram, you can find me at You Got a Friend in Lee Travel. So if you do any of that, we'll get you hooked up and booked up. For now, that is all. Please have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Enjoy the time with your family. Magic out.